Guys, let's go over 1295, find numbers with even number of digits. So given an array nums of integers, return how many of them contain even number of digits. And we have an array of number of integers. So if you look at number 1, so we have 12, 3, 45, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6. And we want to check if each item in the array has an even number of digits. And in order for us to do that, first thing we probably want to do is convert each digit to a string so that we can get the length of the digit. And then we want to probably increase a result variable if even, add. So is the first one even? Yes. Is the second one? Nope. This isn't. 6 isn't. And 7, 8, 9, 6, it has 4 digits, so it is even. So we get 2 as our result, which is our output. Alright guys, so now let's code our solution. We declare our function which takes in one parameter, which is an array with integers. And let's declare a variable named result. This is going to store how many even numbers we have, and we'll return our result. So we're gonna go through our array using a for loop. Length. We want to go through all of them, and I'm just gonna make a variable let num is equal to. So we want to convert the current number to a string. So nums at index I. And the reason we convert the number into a string is because we want to find the length of the current number. And we're going to check if num.length modulo 2 is equal to 0. We're going to increase the result by 1. So we convert our number into a string so that we can get the length of the number, and we get the length over here, and we do modulo 2. So if this modulo 2 is equal to 0, that means that it's even, right? It means that it doesn't have any remainders. So that tells us that it's even. And if it's even, we're gonna increase the result by 1. And for our solutions, so we get 2 and 1 as our result. And if we check, it's 2 and 1. So there we go. Alright, let's go over our code one more time. So we declare a variable which takes in a parameter, which is an array of integers. And we declare a result variable so that we can count the number of even integers. And when we're done, we're going to return our result over here. So we're going to use a for loop to iterate through all the numbers in our nums array, and we start at index 0, and we want to go through all the items, so we increment by 1. And what we want to do is we can't get a length of an integer, right? We can't get a length of a number. So what we have to do is first convert our current number to a string, so that later in the if statement over here we can use the length method to get the length of the current number. And we check using a modulo 2 to see if it's even or not. So if we have a number that's not equal to 0, that means that it's odd, obviously. And if it's equal to 0, it's even, right? So even. So this is basically checking if this is even. And if it's even, we're going to increase our result by 1. And we're going to do that for all the items in our array. And when we're done, we're going to loop out over this and then return our result. So looking at example 2, we have 5, 5, 5, 9, 0, 1, 4, 8, 2, and 1, 7, 7, 1. First thing we're going to do is we're going to convert all these into a string and then check, is this odd? Or actually, is this even? Nope. Is this even? Nope. Is this even? Nope. Is this even? Yes. So we get our result is equal to 1. And that's what we get over here too.